Hi there, thank you so much for being a part of FirstWorks Beta. Today we're going to walk through how you can set up the FirstWork app by using the onboarding PDF that we are going to send you on Friday, January the 19th. To get started, we're going to open up that PDF and we'll see that the first page includes some basic information about FirstWork. The second page includes the information that you'll need to get your application set up. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your device is up to date. So if you haven't done an update recently, you might want to take a look at the update settings. Next, we can walk through how you can set up the FirstWork app. So the first thing we're going to do is select the first link here to download TestFlight, which is Apple's beta testing platform. We'll press open on this link and we'll be taken to the TestFlight application in the App Store. Now we'll want to download the app. Next, once we've completed this download, we can go back to the PDF that we were just on and we can download FirstWork. So we're going to click this link to download FirstWork here. We'll press open and then it will open up inside of TestFlight. So we're going to say allow to that notification prompt from FirstWork, open up TestFlight, and we'll be brought right to the FirstWork app where we can press install. When we press install, we will begin the download process, and it's just that simple. We can press open, and now we have the FirstWork app, and we are a part of the beta. From here, we're going to go through the basic setup process for the application. So we're going to want to allow FirstWork to send notifications. We're going to say next here from our note from the developer. We're going to say start testing, and then we're going to download the lesson content for the app. We have a very large library of curriculum assets, so this needs to download at the very beginning of the process. Once you complete your download, you will be brought to create a pin screen. We'll see this here in just a moment. Once we are prompted to allow screen time, we're going to want to say continue as well. And we can allow with Face ID. Next, we can create our pin to get started with FirstWork. We're going to want to make sure we create a pin that is not the same as the device pin so that kids can't get into the back end of the application where you can set up and edit learning lessons. So we're going to enter in a pin here. We'll re-enter that pin. And now we can create a student profile, which is essentially a unique data set that allows us to track the progress of one learner independently of another. It also allows us to save settings specifically to one learner. So we can enter our student profile. Next, we'll see apps to restrict. We can press edit here and we'll see all of the applications on our device. The apps that we select will be restricted during your learning lessons and will be made available after your learning lessons are completed. Once we've selected these apps to restrict, we can press done here, and now we are on the final settings page where we can choose a few global lesson settings like the voice that will be speaking the questions and whether or not you would like to hear a success chime when you get the correct answer. And now here we are back on the homepage of the application. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about how you can use the application to set up lessons, restrict apps, and view the progress of the learning lessons you do, please consider checking out the other videos which are attached in our PDF, which you will be receiving tomorrow on the 19th. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a wonderful experience with the beta.